Hello, friends. Welcome to our channel. Usual English conversation. In our channel, there are lots of tips and tricks are there to learn English speaking. Want to speak English naturally? Keep watching our videos continuously. Watch full video, don't skip the video.
Watch conversation questioning and answering about books.
Hi. Hello. How often do you read books? I read books almost every night before I go to bed. What's your favorite type of book? I love reading about different cultures. What can you learn from books? Books can broaden my horizon about thousands of things around the world, and books are also my best friends. Where do you read books? I read books at home, sometimes in the library. What's the most interesting book you have ever read? I think that would be France. A book written about the country of France. How long does it take you to finish a book? Well, it depends on the length of the book, but it usually takes me a week to finish a 300-page book. Do you usually bring books with you when you travel? Yes, I do. When I'm at the airport or bus station, I read books to kill time. Is there any bookstore or library in your area? Unfortunately, there are none near my house. The nearest one is 3 kilometers away.
The conversation is over.
Hello, friends. Now you know all about how to questioning and answering about books. Keep watching our videos continuously. Our next video is given below in our description. Keep watching to succeed. Please like and share if you enjoyed. If you want more videos, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for getting notification immediately from our channel. Thank you for watching.